So this is the first budget from the Modi government, and there are a lot of areas where, from an entrepreneurial ecosystem perspective, the government could do to build the whole piece out. There have been talks about a 10,000 crore fund that the government had launched in the last budget. Unfortunately, that has not come to fruition. So there are ways and means to bring that to work. There is work needed on the taxation side. The so-called angel tax is actually hurting the industry very badly, and there is need to review it on an urgent basis. Unfortunately, with the government is not really incentivizing people to invest in this early stage space. Some very basic tweaks to the tax laws can actually see floodgates opening into the investments into this space. For example, the Section 54, which is related to deployment of capital gains earned from property, could be a very good mechanism of getting capital into the early stage ecosystem, and there is a dire need of it. We're seeing a lot of entrepreneurial activity, and some of those changes in the taxation system could actually act as a fillip to the sector. So we at Your Nest Angel Fund invest in technology-enabled, internet and mobile connected opportunities. The intent is to look at be sector agnostic and look at opportunities which help drive the large dividend, demographic dividend that India sits on, and ride some of those demographic dividends to the next level. So from a digital India perspective, as more and more tier 2, tier 3 towns and villages get connected, there is a large untapped market available in those places where there is wealth available that can be leveraged for productive asset generating opportunities. So from that perspective, I think we really can play a large role in the government being able to fulfill their digital India dream. There is a huge over the last many quarters now, there has been a huge pickup in the entrepreneurial ecosystem and the activity that is happening in the entrepreneurial space. And events such as these and the BW Accelerate program specifically can really channel some of that energy into productive, meaningful, really hard-hitting, problem-solving opportunities that can come to fore from some of those platforms. And these platforms can actually act as a very, very significant feeder into the early stage ecosystem from an investment perspective, for us to be able to look at those opportunities and invest on the ones which we think are relevant from a scaling up perspective. Yes, I think the times have never been better. There is enough activity in the entrepreneurial ecosystem. Entrepreneurship is becoming a platform of choice for people. I was reading somewhere that large chunks of, or significant chunks of IIT and IIM graduates this year have opted out of the placement process because they wanted to pursue entrepreneurship as a career choice. There are enough people like us who play in the early stage ecosystem from a capital availability perspective, who are helping some of these young entrepreneurs fulfill and live their dreams. With the government being able to put in a framework which helps channel more capital into this space will only help grow the ecosystem.